Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of July. This month's theme is ooh. If you are new to Boxycharm, it is a beauty, hair care, and skincare subscription box for about, after tax it runs out to about $30 a month, and I will leave my description or my link and my code down below. I don't make any money off of it, but I do get charm points, so if you'd like to use that, that would be super helpful. But let's go ahead and get into the products, starting off with my choice for the month. This is the Ailene Stack the Odds. It is a blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter all in one. It's a cream based. And when I first watched this, honestly, I did not see myself liking it all that much. I feel like it's one of those things where, you know, it's kind of like one of those gimme products, like when you're a kid, you've got like this really thick, really cakey makeup kind of on your face and you're like not really sure. Like, it takes me back to when I was probably about 10 years old and just playing around with that, but I have it on my face and the application is flawless. The bronzer glides on so smoothly. The blush is, though it's pigmented, it is very just, you feel very much like the shade name Sun Kissed. It's very peachy, very corally, very perfect for summer. And the highlighter, I thought this was going to be a bit of a problem. However, once you apply it on the face, like, it looks like it's not doing much, but it's more of a glassy highlight. You're not going to get a lot of glitter and a lot of glimmer. It's more like a highlight that's there, but it's not there. So if you're looking for that, this might be well worth your while. And this retails for $38. I'm actually super excited to continue to play with it. Next on my list is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. And this, it smells like coconut upon applying, but I'm not a huge fan of coconut, but it feels nice on the skin. I really am enjoying it. It retails for $78. So yeah, I like it. I just don't like the smell of it, but skincare, I feel like you can't really get a good sense of until you've tried it out for at least a couple of weeks. Next is my Eloise Beauty Prism Luxury Eyeshadow Brush Set. Look at how gorgeous these are. I absolutely love these. I love getting eyeshadow brushes in my Boxycharm, mainly because they're not something I enjoy purchasing myself. So when I get them in my Boxycharm, I can just add another set to my collection. Most of my favorite brushes have come from Boxycharm, and I mean, those are gorgeous. Those are pretty. And they perform really well on the eyes. Again, I think they're absolutely stunning, and I am so excited to have these. After that, we've got the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Serum. This retails for $32. And looking at it, you would think it smells like lemon. It actually doesn't smell like anything. It does feel good underneath the eyes. And again, the last time I got a Kate Somerville product, I also got an eye product as well, an under eye cream. And I love that they do this because they just kind of go together. And it feels good so far. Again, this is one thing that's going to take some time to really decide whether or not I like it. But so far it feels good and it's nice and thick. And the last item in my box is the Beauty Crop Liquid Eyeshadow Duo. This is in the shade Cinnamon and Fudge. It's a matte side followed by a metallic side. The matte side is very, very waterproof. It took like 2 days for it to fully come off of my hand, and it blends beautifully on the eyes. The shimmer side, I'm going to have to play around with more, but it seems to be doing okay. And I like how it adds an extra pop. I like the copper tone in this. I think it's very beautiful. I think it's more of a fall shade, so I think I'll really like this come like the fall time when we're like looking at like pumpkin spice and cinnamon and nutmeg and like all the fun fall kind of colors and flavors. And so far I'm liking how this is performing on the eyes, and it retails for $18. And that is everything in my box. I feel like the retail value on this was, honestly, it was put in there to get the value of the box up. But the last time I got a Kate Somerville product, I'm going to go ahead and say this, that because it's a well-known high-end like luxury brand, I'm not as mad at this. The retail value of the box, I will have it on the screen, but it comes to be around like just under $200. So I think that even with this not in there, the retail value of the box would still come at the promised value. Overall, I'm liking this box. I think it's fun. I love how I got both an eye cream and a face moisturizer at the same time. I love how I got both a eyeshadow duo and some brushes together. They kind of go together. The brushes, this is not something I would personally use with these particular eyeshadows, but I mean, I'm always one to experiment. And then this is a lot more beautiful than I thought it was going to be when I initially was playing around with it. So I love the payoff on this. And with that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, click my links down below. Get me some charm points if you're new to Boxycharm. And I will see you in the next one. God bless and bye, guys.